Next, we want to talk about the idea of couponing. For many of our low resource clients and students that we work with, the ability to save just a few dollars on a purchase of food or other staples can be significant. As a matter of fact, that can often be the money that they're able to save and put back within their household budget for emergencies or what have you. So within the context of this exercise, finding coupons, what we have done is that we have in the past brought in various sorts of resources for coupons: magazines, newspapers, the internet. And we've exposed the students to, once again, the idea of trying to find coupons that would save them money in their purchases. Now, one of the best ways we have found to relate that to a practical exercise is, in essence, to introduce the idea of coupons and then back up a lesson to the grocery list they just made for the sports team, for those 12 hungry soccer players or baseball players or what have you. By utilizing now the idea of a shopping list they have, the quantities they're going to need, and introducing the idea of coupons and the savings that come from coupons, we create a challenge between individuals and teams for them actually to see what coupons they can find that will save them the most money on the shopping list that they just created. Now, this has, once again, two impacts. Number one, it makes it relevant because they understand the need for the shopping list. They've gone through that, done the quantifying, understand the prices that are going to be associated with that, and now they'll be able to actually, once again, quantify the amount of money they can save by the coupons they find. Secondly, it introduces them to the locations and opportunities to find coupons. Where are they? Are there publications or websites that provide me with savings and coupons that I can use in my normal day-to-day shopping activities? This is also the point where we introduce the idea of caution with coupons. And that is, don't simply buy a product because a coupon may offer a very, very low discount or whatever on the price. Make sure it's a product that you want or you need, or that you're willing to try and that you have the spare money to invest in that particular product. Because remember, you may not like the product once you get it. So again, couponing here, it becomes important, and we always try to relate it back to the savings that could be gained by them. One of the most important questions to ask as you wrap up this session is, what will you do with the money that you save? And we want to try to get that thought, start that process of, well, what could I do with that excess funding? Do I have school supplies or school fees that I could use that money for? Do I have other personal aspirations, maybe a business that I'm trying to start up? Do I need to buy supplies for another business that I'm trying to do? All of those things come into play here. But again, we want to plant that seed at this point in time about what will you do with the savings? How will those savings be important to you? All right, now let's look at the next context.